Hey, Frank, what is this one?
Well, I'll tell you what, Larry, it's such a pretty day, man, and we normally can't put the awnings out because they're kind of close. But today, man, we're able to get this awning out, and
Well,
I'll show you a neat feature on it too when it rains. But this is our Kodiak, and this is the 280 BH-SL.
Okay.
So when we get inside, I'll show you what it has in there, the features and stuff.
What's the L stand for? I don't know.
I don't know either, man.
BHS, bunkhouse with a slide?
I don't know. Well, let's see when we get inside. Maybe we can figure it out.
Okay.
But as we say, they give you a great warranty. You get a 1 year, 3 year. 1 year is going to be from your hitch to your bumper, and then the 3 years is going to be your structural. And then what we always say, Larry, we're tired of cranking, man. We're getting a little older. So this has the power tongue jack.
Right.
Makes it really nice. You also have your two 20-gallon propane tanks.
Okay.
And coming around here, Larry, you're going to have your battery disconnect, which is a nice feature.
Oh, plus this one does have solar.
Yeah, it does have the solar on it, correct.
Okay.
And then around here, Larry, you'll see that it does have the slide topper on your slide out.
Oh, that's always
We really
nice.
like that. Yeah, that just makes it a lot easier. You don't have to worry about cleaning it.
Okay.
And debris getting in there. And it does keep the rain and stuff off. It makes it last a little bit longer. All right, Larry, so if you come over here, you'll see this nice big pass-through. And you also see the bear cage, they call it. This is aluminum. And it does have the solar, like you said. There's a controller with the inverter prep.
Okay.
Another nice feature, power stabilizers, Larry, so no more cranking or drilling.
Oh, my goodness.
Got those suckers on here.
That is cool.
It's got the steps being you both like, the Lippert Silent Steps 4.0.
Oh, yeah.
So they're really nice.
I like the adjusters on the side this time.
I like the handle. Yeah, this handle right here is really nice. You just pull, and it slides out so easy, man, compared to those pins getting jammed up in there. This also where you put your fresh water on this side.
If you're boondocking.
If you're boondocking, you would fill it right here, real quick and easy. This also has a quick connect, so you can bring your TV from the inside out here.
Oh, that's cool.
Hook it up right here, and as you see, you got this nice big shaded awning. So, I mean, you can be out here.
Wow.
This awning, Larry, I say it all the time, you do too. Where they put the lights is pretty cool on these awnings.
Right.
Mine has it on the roll, which the problem with that is they go out too quick. I'm always replacing mine. Or they're up here normally.
Like mine.
Yep. So this one, they actually put it on each end of the awning arms. So that makes them last a little bit longer and they're more solid.
Okay.
But a real cool feature, Larry, we've had a lot of rain this last month or two, man. I mean, a ton of rain.
We certainly have.
So this has adjustments. You just turn it and you pull it down. So that will let the water come off and I can lock it in at a certain angle. And it'll lock right there, and then you would do the same to undo it. You just let it back out.
So you can slope it down for when it's raining.
Correct.
Run to one end.
Yep. You can do either side that way.
Well, that's the end of your campsite.
Absolutely. So I would definitely do over here. Yep. Then you'll see it's got a nice little outside fridge here. Not super big, but I mean, you can still put a 6-pack, maybe a 12-pack in there.
Yeah.
It's got a spray port, so you can spray your furry friends off or your hands and feet before you go in your RV. And then the backs is super simple. Spare in the right place. On-demand hot water heater.
Oh, everybody loves that.
We do, man. Prep for a backup camera and also prep for the Lippert hideaway ladder.
Okay.
So I'll tell you what, Larry, let's go inside and figure out what this L means. Okay, Larry, before we go in, they always put this on the side of their units, Larry, if they have it. This has the bear cage aluminum construction, so it's going to be all aluminum construction. Then this has the hyper decking, so there'll be no wood in it, Larry.
Oh, wow.
So the beauty of that, if you had a big spill or something, I mean, you both know wood swells that can rot and all that, so that would help prevent that. And then it's an all-season camper. That means that underbelly's fully enclosed and the heat circulates through the underbelly. So Larry, it has a nice big slide out, which we love.
Super slide.
So it's got the super slide on it. And this is a 2025. So you're ahead of the ball game here.
Nice windows, too.
Yeah, not a 24. This is a 25. So you're getting a sneak peek at some 25s, which we got arriving each day coming.
Right.
So this is nice right here, Larry, because you got a couch with the cup holders in it, which we both like. And then obviously this will pull out to a little happy jack to a bed.
Oh, wow.
Super simple to do.
So this, shoot, 1, 2, 3,
yeah, you got some sleeping in here,
6,
man.
7, 8 at least.
Easy. And then always your dinette here will make a bed.
Okay.
This is going to have your nice blackout shades. Easy down, easy up. And what I like too is this nice L kitchen, Larry. So it's got a nice counter space
Right.
here. It's got what we love. Me and you both love this drop down. Plug in.
Put your cell phone on
Throw it
that.
right on top. It'll charge it.
Right.
Bring it back up. You got a USB port and 2 plug-ins.
Tower of power.
Tower of power, man. This one does have a small oven in it, so you can do your cookies or a little bit of bacon. Throw a piece in there. 3-burner stove.
I like the farm sink.
It's got the microwave in there. Yep, nice. You know what I like? Where a lot of them have that steel and stuff. This just has a nice white, clean look.
Yeah.
You know, because that steel tends to scratch a little bit. That stainless steel
Yep.
shows marks. That's really pretty. Furrion, just a nice 12-volt refrigerator. Got plenty of room. We talked numerous times about those.
Nice size though.
Nice size, Larry. This got the bigger AC on it, which is ducted through the whole daggone RV. 15K AC. This is really nice too, Larry. So this could be a closet here. This could be a pantry, whatever you guys want it.
Okay.
But the real hidden gem is this bunk room back here, Larry. So, Larry, if you would, man, go in this bunk room back here. You'll see that it has 4 bunks, and there is one that's slightly bigger than
Right.
the other 3. That would be probably for your older teenager or whatever. Or if you got that buddy that drank too much that night, he'd get his butt in there and
Right.
sleep. But, yeah, nice size bunk room in here. Super cool, man.
You got lights on each level. USB
Yeah,
ports.
you do. Yep. You can control the lights where you want them on this one, or you can do it with a switch. Has your ducting for your AC in there. The wall is prepped for a TV to be hung. It has a backer already in it.
Oh yeah, yeah.
But wasn't there something that puzzled you,
You
in
know,
this thing, Larry, when it first came in?
When it first came in,
Yeah.
I saw a chair underneath the master bedroom
Right.
mattress. And I was like, what the heck is that for?
Yeah.
I thought I don't know.
Same
sitting
thing I
outside
would
the
too.
dinette, something
Yeah.
like that.
Right.
But hey, give us a couple minutes. We'll show you what it's all about.
Yeah. Let's see
Okay.
what we can do.
Hey, Frank, what are you doing?
Checking my emails, man.
Oh, my goodness.
Check
look
this
at
out,
that.
buddy. I might trade my office and just come work on this sucker.
Wow.
This is cool, right?
That is cool.
Yeah, man. So you got your desk here, Larry. For this unit, yes, it has bunks, and it would be great for kids. But we have a lot of full timers that are remote workers.
True.
Could you just imagine just coming in here, Larry,
Oh, yeah.
doing your work in here, then going out there and watching some TV,
Or gamer.
game or two? But this is neat, Larry. It has on each side the desk. You're gonna have drawers. You got another one down here. You know what I mean?
Now we know what that chair's for.
Now we know what the chair's for, and I like it, man. So if you can't find me sometimes, I might be working deals in here.
Yeah, yeah.
But yeah, that is neat, man.
That is pretty cool. And we just took the 2 mattresses, got them out the way,
Yep, just stack them on top of that one.
folded those bunks up. And this is actually all in one piece.
Right,
So you just fold it, lock it up in the side.
takes no time, and I
Wow.
mean it's nice. That's a new one. That's a neat
That's
one,
a
Larry.
no-brainer, though.
That
That's
really
pretty cool.
is. So I'll tell you what. Let's look at the entertainment, Larry, in the bedroom, and then we'll get the heck out of here because it's hot.
Frank, we missed something.
What I miss?
The bathroom.
Oh yeah, I sure did. I told you it's hot, man.
I
I'm
tell ya.
baking. But that one's got your tub for the cubs, Larry. Check
Oh.
that sucker out, man.
That's cool.
Yeah, man. Get them little cubs in there and wash them up. I'm
Nice
playing
size
outside.
towels in there.
Yeah. Yep, that opens up where, there's some nice.
What did you call those hooks the other time we were in
Oh, yeah, the little octopus hooks.
there?
Yeah, man, look just like an octopus.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're cool, man.
So it's not a bad spot.
Nah, man, does what it needs to do.
Yeah.
But I do like that tub.
Oh,
That's
wow.
perfect, man. So now we'll go check the entertainment and the master in this one. So Larry, this
That's
this
a nice size
backboard,
TV.
man, I really like too. It almost reminds me of the B board they put in homes, but it is wallpaper. It looks very nice.
It's very decorative, though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Nice size TV. What, about 40, 45 inch, something like
40
that.
at
Yeah.
least.
Of course, you're gonna have your fireplace here that'll put out heat, and that's electric, not
It's about
propane.
5,000 BTU.
Yeah, so it almost run your slam out of here,
Right,
which you don't need
especially
today. I wish it was the AC.
Right.
But this bedroom, where you got 2 entrances with the pocket doors.
Oh, and one thing that's nice, a light switch on the outside
Yeah,
for
yep.
the overhead lights.
Yeah, that's really cool, man. So you're gonna have your typical queen size bed in here, and then you'll have the his and her lights above you. Back behind here, you're gonna have storage for that CPAP. If you got a CPAP machine
We'll turn
or
it on again.
one for your laptop back
Oh,
here,
that's cool.
Yep.
Both sides.
both sides, and then you're gonna have 2 little hanging storage closets, so you can put your clothes or whatever in there.
Put your wardrobe.
Sure. Yep.
Oh, I like that.
But the big kicker is right above it. Normally they don't do that. You got a ton of space up here. So you can put some totes, you can fold some clothes, whatever you want up there, man.
I like what they do under the bed now.
Yeah. Yeah, this is neat.
They got your little shelf there.
Right, instead of it going all the way down.
But then also they leave the bottom open, so it's more like a regular pedestal bed.
Correct, yep. Yeah, man. So I'll tell you what, Larry. Like I said, this is a 2025. Let's go over some specs, and then we'll get the heck out of this thing.
It's getting hot.
So like I said, 2025 Kodiak 280 BHS. The L's not on here, but we'll figure out what the heck that means. This thing, the monthly payment, Larry, on a 25, you're talking, just like me and you, we're payment buyers, brother. $309 a month.
Oh, my goodness. For this much trailer?
For a 2025, man. So let's get ahead of the ball game, man. Don't be behind and get a 23 or 24. Come get a 25 cheaper than you can a 23 or 24.
Exactly.
This retails out for $48,476. Right now, we're offering it for $35,903.
Wow.
So I tell you what, guys, you want a beautiful unit, come see me or Larry. And again, guys, like, share, and give us a thumbs up and some comments. We'll be glad to answer them. We'll get back to you on what that L means. Y'all take care. Thank you.
Thanks, Frank.
Yep.